What's up, guys? Miguel. Just got off of work. I came to my brother's shop. He told me my lights came in.
I had to pick him up from the house. What? Oh, wait.
As you can see, I already took off the old ones. Y'all can look at how we take off the tail light, but these are the old ones. Still look pretty cool, in my opinion. As you can see, what I hate though, or what I do not like right now, is the halogen bulbs. As I can see, they suck.
Boring.
Same with the reverse.
Yeah, you need LEDs,
That's
man.
disgusting. So I'll put on the other one, at least for now, and then I'll probably sell those online through Facebook and see if I can get a pretty penny for those. Okay, now real quick, in case y'all don't know how to take off tail lights on the Chrysler 300, you pull up this flap. There's these little thumb screws, and they look like that.
So I just noticed his phone. We're recording on his phone, so if it looks, it's just pretty good quality. But I didn't know it had wide angle.
My phone's fancy, basically.
Shut up, hurry up. Yeah, look at that. Ben's gonna get the 300S wheels swapped out to it, and then he's gonna be painting his freaking headlight to match that 300S style headlight. What'd you drop? Oh, funny.
Oh, they're good because they're made in Taiwan.
But the good thing about these are plug and play, man. You don't have to swap out bulbs or anything. They include them for you. About damn time companies start doing this.
Yeah, but then they charge you for the bulbs, which makes lights more expensive.
Well, like $10 in total more expensive.
Well, here's my backup sensors.
Yeah, right there. All right, hurry up.
I need to fix that.
That's not backup sensors, actually. It's part of it, but then that also wires your tail lamp to this side, because it goes from main harness here, then it transfers it through the bumper. Yeah, I took off my bumper many times. I know how it works. And you just feed this grommet through there, dude. That's how I did on that side. I already did it. You gotta feed it through there.
Yo, Spyder is smart.
I got the
Spyder,
coronavirus.
sponsor us.
All right, so on these Chryslers, there's usually a little red tab. You just
2008 to 2010. I don't know how the 2005 to 2007 or.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's true. I'm weak, but you pull it and then you pull out the connection, and you just swap out the lights in reverse assembly.
Yo, that lighting though, look at that. And just like that, boom.
New car.
Oof, oof, oof. Who this? Who this? Brake? Dope, dope, dope.